The 10x Rule by Grant Cardone outlines the most important steps to take to achieve success in life by highlighting which actions lead to the biggest outcomes. It presents a method by which people are more likely to achieve bigger results with the same amount of time as they had before. This video will outline the key points in just a few minutes. The book suggests that regarding achievement and risk, there are 4 types of people. The do-nothings, who want success but don't know how to take the first step. The retreaters, who have seen their efforts not pay off and have decided to reduce risk in the future. The normal action takers, who accept that their average planning and effort will lead to average results. And the final group is the massive action takers, who dream big but struggle to achieve big. They are in danger of becoming retreaters or even do-nothings if they face too much resistance and not enough reward. Success breeds success and failure breeds failure if you let it. It is an unfortunate fact of life which we must break free from by not conforming to the idea that we are in one of these groups. You must increase your appetite for risk. The big life will only come as a result of calculated risks. When taking risks, be consistent in your effort and in your behavior. After a while, the risk will lessen as you know yourself and the tasks better. So how do people achieve bigger results? The book suggests you should first visualize your success. If you don't see clearly what you want, you can't know for sure if you're heading towards it. This is similar to imagining and planning out your desired outcome, which we have seen in several other books in this series. When visualizing, make sure your ambitions are big and bold. This may seem contrary to other teachings, but the idea is to dream big, have a clear idea of the result, and then break it down into manageable chunks of action. Vision and action are the keys to succeeding, so have a vision and make your steps all move in the right direction. It is best to align your goals to important parts of your life. This will give you the extra energy and motivation to achieve big results. Obsession is a gift. Instead of feeling guilty that your passions are unfulfilled, use the energy it gives you to move ahead. Be it a family member, a piece of media, or a social circumstance, use whatever energy you can receive from your passions to drive yourself. Create a mindset checklist to keep yourself on track. Write down your goals every day. Write down the steps you need to take and tick them off one by one. Continue writing your goals daily as you progress. Do your best to progress your plans every day and feel good about your own efforts. If you feel you have done your best, then you can't blame yourself. Use each second to your advantage. Making a list of small actions to take towards your goals will allow you to find something to do at any time. If your goal is a brand, make sure to show up and push it regularly. Always be present in the minds of others. Repetition is key to success in many other areas too. Place your time and effort on acquisition of people. Loyalty can come later. If your goal is a product, make sure it's good before launching wide. Risk is necessary, but we can calculate risk by testing brands and products with minimal investment before committing. Whatever your goal is, or whatever it is you're seeking to achieve in your life, it is crucial that you know clearly what it is that you want and break down the steps into manageable amounts of action before starting. In this way, you can achieve success gradually every day and feel better about yourself and your life.
MA